So before harvest, I wash my wash pack station with a biodegradable cleaner that's allowable both in organic certification and through my produce safety plan. I remove all debris that is in there and I wash everything down and then rinse all of it so that there is no soap remaining. And once that is done, I'm ready to harvest and can start my washing. When I'm all done, the same thing happens. I wash it all down so it's ready to go. My bins are also washed and air dried, as well as my towels that I use for draining. They're also washed after every harvest and use.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.